everybody, this is Two Boys, One Brain Cell. I'm Chuck Beeson, the guy hidden by the screen. Here's Joel Norden. Today, we are reacting to Rivers of the Nile.
I feel like that's wrong.
Nihil?
But yeah, I'm going to roll with you because I don't know a better correction. But Nile, like the Nile River, is N-I-L-E.
I know it's spelled different.
So, yeah.
But Rivers of, and then that spelling, I just went with it.
I'll roll with you.
Yeah.
I'm not going to correct you.
Yeah.
Guys, yell at him.
Hey, yeah, let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know what it really is. I'm curious. But the song's going to be The Void from Which No Sound Escapes. Ooh, it sounds spooky.
Shout out to our Patreon.
Oh, yeah.
This is a request from there, and not really sure what we're getting into here. They were teasing me because I was like, what kind of genre is this? And they're like, well, you'll see, basically.
I guess we'll see.
And I liked it.
Let's
Send
hit it.
Good spot to pause it.
Yeah. Oh.
Your faces are killing me, dude. You gotta quit.
What?
Your random ass faces that you're making. It's killing me.
I don't know what I did wrong here.
When he was talking about feeding my bean to my children, you were like, I just gave him a glance over and started laughing my ass off. Like, you're killing me.
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
It is. So far, it's very atmospheric.
Yeah.
Yeah. It had that kind of that Lorna Shore thing in the beginning where his vocals are blending.
Yes.
That's used a few times in the song, but I liked it. I liked it more in the intro because it just fit a little bit better. And then it went into the heavier like metalcore screams.
Yeah.
But when they went back to that, I was a little disappointed that it went back to it. Just because I was like, that was a cool intro. I wish I would have separated that a little bit, but that's just me being picky.
Yeah, and honestly, I think the lyrics flashing across the bottom of the screen help me out here.
Yeah.
Because I know what he's saying.
That was a nice touch.
Yes.
Thank you, Rivers, because that was... I haven't seen that a whole lot so far on YouTube.
Me neither.
Whoever set that up. Oh, actually, we might have did that.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. Let's finish this out, though. This is one of those experimental pieces that you kind of want to hear as a whole before you make any judgments on.
All right, let's check it
Like,
out.
I can kind of piece it together. You know what I mean? Like, go ahead. Just send it. Just send it.
Encore.
Intriguing. They had like some live elements there at the end of that. All right. Definitely an atmospheric piece. I think if we were, this is just making assumptions before you dive into your section here. If we were more into instrumentals, this would be awesome.
He was rocking them 7 strings.
Yeah, for sure.
I think that was 7.
I didn't count, so
Looks like 7.
I'm putting my trust in you that you're
I think
right.
that was 7.
If it's wrong, it's not on me. That saxophone, though,
Oh,
As soon as he broke it, I was like, that son of a bitch.
I'm like, do
How
it.
dare you break
Do
out a
it.
sax? How dare you?
Do it.
It's my weakness, man.
It's so good.
I love sax. Yeah, no matter what you're putting it in, like. Go ahead. What do you think of the song? Son of a bitch. What do you think?
I almost made it through it. I was so close.
We are children. A bunch of man-childs. All right. Chuck, what do you think of the song, bud? You go ahead.
It's very heavy. I would love to see this piece live. I love how the video, they gave it a theatrical.
Yeah, theatrical. That's
Yeah.
very good. Look at you. Big words.
But yes. But the fact that it's so heavy throughout
Oh, yeah.
hurts me.
There's a reason I let you go first, bud.
Yep. If it wasn't for the lyrics, the little closed captioning thing down
Yeah.
there, I'd have been so lost.
Yeah. Like I said, I think it's a very atmospheric piece,
Yeah.
and it's just
You
It's
definitely
not-
feel a lot of it.
it's not a style of music either of us has listened to. Even me listening to the metalcore,
Yeah.
like this is much different than metalcore in my opinion, just because it's so intricate with the instruments, and
Yes.
there's a lot more to it.
Mhm.
It doesn't feel formatted.
Right.
It felt like things were just happening, not randomly, but like without pattern,
Yeah.
and it kind of formed together.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Yeah. I will say this. I think this would be really fun live.
Oh,
For sure.
yeah. Oh yeah,
I think I might have said that already,
you did.
but I'm going to say it again.
That's fine. Yeah, double down on it, bud.
Absolutely.
I'd be down to see it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But as far as ratings,
Go ahead, bud.
I'm going to go 5.6.
You're making it above average with this?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Does the saxophone do it for you?
Yes.
I knew it knocked me up a point too. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, the saxophone did it. Just the way it flowed through. I think the intro was unique.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
I mean, it was long.
Yeah. It was long, which I expected you. That's why I expected more of a 3 from
Right.
you.
But since that intro was so unique and he was singing kind of with it,
Yeah.
it kind of made it all right.
Okay. Fair enough.
It didn't make that part good. Made it all right.
I'm assuming no playlist though.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna go with a 6.2. Does not make a playlist, and I'm gonna break down why here a little bit. So this is not my casual listening. I like metalcore, but I don't normally listen to atmospheric or like very heavily instrumental pieces. And this is, to me, I know it's not crazy instrumental. There was still a lot of screaming. So it could be one of those things that warms up on me, and it does end up making it a playlist. As with anything we listen to, in that first reaction, you never know. But the atmospheric stuff with the screams blending in with the instrumentals, that actually takes a while for me to warm up to. As much as I've shown you songs that I enjoy like that took me a long time to warm up. Like that Lorna Shore song, the parts at the beginning of that, you don't even know how many times I've listened to that song that actually got me into it.
You don't know how many times I've heard that song now.
Really? Who?
Not by choice.
Your friends?
My friends, my family.
Really?
Yes.
They're like torturing you with it? That's pretty awesome.
Well, first off, my brother, he thinks that little weird noise at the end that
Yeah. Yeah.
because it still gets me.
Yeah.
So he just keeps playing it.
Respect. Mad respect. Yeah.
Every
But it took me a long time to warm up to that song just because of the lyrics blending in with the instrumentals.
Mm-hmm.
And then I actually came to enjoy it after a while. But it was definitely not like my go-to. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I could see the same thing happening with this where I listened to a couple of times and it does slip into that playlist.
Mm-hmm.
But as of right now, I'd say no playlist. But yeah.
Yeah.
6.2. I love it, though, that it got us out of our comfort zone. So
Absolutely.
thank you very much for the request. And do you have anything else you want to add to this, bub?
No, that's it for me.
Hells yeah. Guys, we've been two boys, one brain cell. Thank you so much for the request. If you were a fan of our reaction, do us a favor, hit a like and subscribe. Come join our community. Ooh, I'd say it's musical, but there's all kinds of stuff happening. So we can't ever make up our minds. We're having some fun with it. As simple as that.
We're everywhere.
Yeah, we're everywhere. Whatever we're feeling. One thing that stays consistent though is the music reactions.
Absolutely.
So, but yeah, Charles Beeson, Joel Norden. Peace out.
Peace.